A standard copper HDMI cable usually, well, it basically chokes out after about 50 feet. But today's deep dive is pulling from the spec sheets of an extension cable that runs an astonishing 850 feet.
Right. Yeah, it's a massive distance.
Exactly. I mean, we're talking about the infrastructure powering those giant video walls you see in like government control rooms or massive commercial spaces. And it's doing it using nothing but glass and light. We are looking at the Celerity UFO-CABLE-850P.
And, for those huge commercial distributions, you simply can't rely on copper anymore. After a certain distance, the electrical resistance and electromagnetic interference, they just destroy the data.
Yeah, it becomes unwatchable.
Completely. So fiber optics are really the required gold standard when you need to cover that kind of physical footprint flawlessly.
Right, because trying to send like an 18 gigabit 4K video signal through 850 feet of copper is kind of like a giant game of telephone, right?
Yeah.
The message just gets totally garbled.
Oh, absolutely. Or, trying to push water through a mile-long sponge. The resistance eventually absorbs all the pressure, and your image drops out entirely.
So to fix that, they're essentially shooting a pristine laser beam from the source to the display.
That's exactly it. To maintain that massive 18 gigabit payload, which you absolutely need for uncompressed 4K video at 60 hertz with HDR over 850 feet, this Celerity cable converts the electrical data into light.
Oh, wow. So it's transmitting photons instead of electrons.
Yes. And because of that, there is absolutely zero signal loss and zero electromagnetic interference, too, no matter what heavy electrical equipment it's routed next to.
I mean, that makes perfect sense for data transmission, but physically dragging 850 feet of really delicate glass through a building's drywall without snapping the optic core, that sounds like an absolute nightmare for contractors.
You'd think so, yeah. But that's where the industrial design really stands out. They engineered it to survive a literal construction site. Well, the optical connectors themselves are actually detachable, and that gives the cable this tiny 5-millimeter bend radius, so contractors can snake it through really tight conduits.
That's incredibly small.
It is. It also boasts 60 pounds of pull strength, and crucially, it's Plenum-rated, specifically UL-certified OFMP.
Right, and for anyone listening who might not be pulling cables every day, Plenum-rated basically means the outer jacket of the cable is made of special fire-retardant plastics.
Exactly.
So if there's a fire in the building's air ducts, this massive run of cable won't become a fuse or, emit toxic smoke all over the place.
Precisely. It's a huge safety standard. They even include these protective rubber caps for the optical lenses, just to keep construction dust out during the rough installation process.
The ruggedness makes total sense, and I read in the specs that you can install it in either direction without worrying about which end is which is great. But wait, I actually have to challenge something here.
Okay, what's that?
If the entire length of this cable is just an optical tube of glass, right, light doesn't carry electricity.
Right.
So how are the internal chips in the receiver end actually powering on to decode those photons back into a normal video signal?
Ah, yeah, that is a very clever workaround. The cable actually draws 5 volts of power directly from the HDMI source component itself to power those decoding chips.
Really? Just right out of the port?
Yep. You even get a tiny blue LED on the connector that lights up to confirm its pulling power. And, if your specific source component doesn't happen to output enough juice, Celerity included a hardwired USB cable on the end as a backup.
Oh, so you can just draw power externally if you need to.
Exactly.
That's smart. So, okay, who is actively out there buying 850-foot glass cables? Looking at our sources, this particular model is sold by HDTVSupply, which is a vendor that caters heavily to like sports bars, digital signage setups, and the government.
Yeah, heavy-duty commercial stuff.
Right, and it's an investment too. It's currently sitting at a $771 price tag, and that's marked down from $1,200.
Which, that is a hefty line item for a single cable. But it's totally necessary infrastructure for that kind of scale.
Definitely. Though, I have to say, my absolute favorite detail from the source material is this verified customer review on their site.
Oh, yeah, the review.
Yeah. The buyer didn't even review the cable's performance. Their entire comment was just complaining that trying to buy from the company constantly triggers their credit card's fraud alert.
Hey, that's a very real-world friction point for procuring high-end tech infrastructure.
It really is. So I guess next time you're sitting in a massive sports bar, just watching a flawless 4K video wall, just look up at the ceiling, you're looking at a building that relies on thousands of dollars of hidden optical glass pathways to make that image possible.
Yeah, it's basically the invisible plumbing of the modern visual age.
It really is.
Yeah.
Which kind of leaves you with something to think about. As our visual data demands just keep exploding toward 8K and beyond, the entire physical infrastructure of our buildings inevitably need to be completely gutted and rewired with glass just so our screens can keep up.